Good day guys, this is Mr. D Forex. Today I want to talk about why most traders fail. Before I go further or dig deep in this video guys, please like the page, subscribe and also press the notification button. Guys, I've combined 5 common reasons why most traders fail, and at the same time I have some 3 solutions how you can recover from your losses. Okay guys, 90%, according to the research, it says 90% of new traders loses 90% of their capital within 90 days. Within 90 days they lost how much? 90%. Let's go further. 5 common reasons why most traders fail. As I said, I've combined about 5 common reasons according to me why most traders fail. Number 1, understanding the market. The lack of understanding of the market, that's what lead them to fail. They don't know anything about the market. They don't know what moves the market. They've heard that in Forex you just buy and you sell as well. So they know when to sell and when to buy. Once they see the green candle, they just buy. Once they see the candle, they just sell. They don't know, they don't understand that in Forex there's support and resistance. They don't know anything about support and resistance. They don't know anything about the patterns as well. So number 2, they want to be rich very quickly. They want to be rich very quickly. Everyone wants money. They've heard from their friends that in Forex we can make millions. They're rushing the process. Number 3, risk management. They don't apply risk management. They don't know when to how much to risk with, and they don't know anything about risk management. Number 4 is greedy. Once they're in the trade, they keep on going. They don't know when to pull out. They don't know when to take their profit. Number 5, no rules. No rules. They just trade. They open the chart and they just place the trade. They don't know that you have some rules. Before you even enter into the market, you must get the confirmation. Check where your stop loss gonna be. You're entering. You take profit. Those, before you even start placing the trade, you must have those 4 rules according to me. When to enter, when to put your stop loss, and where you're gonna take profit. And you must have a confirmation that now I can enter the market. Those are common rules, guys. How do you recover from here? How do you recover from such losses? How do you recover from losses? 1, student mentality. You must have a teachable spirit. 2, positive mentality. Think big. Think positive. Forget about the losses. Yes, you have lost that money. Move on. Because you can't say you've tried once and now you are failing, so you wanna quit. Number 3, fighting spirit. Fight. If you know what you want, you'll keep on fighting. You'll never give up. So guys, those are my reasons why most traders fail. I thank you. Please don't forget to like the page and please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much guys. Enjoy your day.